Good day. This is the Professopher, CBMD PhD. And today's Friday, December 9th, 2022. It is 3:50 and 54 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, metastatic cancer. So let's jump to it here. How metastatic cancer causes leaky blood vessels. Direct contact between cancer and blood cells changes their normal clockwise orientation to a more metastasis, prone counterclockwise position. Date December 6, 2022. Source, American Institute of Physics. Researchers examine the local communication between endothelial cells and tumor cells and its effects on endothelial cell orientation. The approach uses cell-cultured human umbilical vein endothelial cells and breast epithelial tumor cell lines to simulate the tumor endothelial interaction. The group found the clockwise chirality of the HUVECs was less affected by local hormone signaling and more so by direct physical contact with the tumor cells. The specific proteins on the tumor cell binding to others on endothelial cells appear to play a role in changing the clockwise chirality of HUVECs. The blood vessels in tumor tissues are much leakier than those in normal tissues. We are curious whether the tumor cells can induce the weakening in the clockwise orientation of endothelial cells and cause them to disorganize in the vessel. The work expands on recent findings that show that endothelial cells have chirality, a type of mirrored image orientation similar to right and left hands, and they tend to skew in a clockwise direction. Researchers believe the strong clockwise chirality of endothelial cells is important to maintain blood vessel integrity, but unfortunately, it could be damaged, weakened by tumor cells, which may increase the risk of metastasis. And by preserving the normal chirality, could inhibit tumor transmigration by reinforcing the chirality and the integrity of the endothelial barrier of blood vessels. And to address the question, the group cultured HUVECs with a series of tumor cell lines with varying degrees of malignancy, and then compared how HUVECs responded when the tumor cells were directly touching them versus not. And to exert such a degree of control, they employed a contact printing technique to create either donut or figure 8 shape micropatterns to hold the cells. The group found the clockwise chirality of the HUVECs was less affected by local hormone signaling and more so by direct physical contact with tumor cells. The specific proteins on the tumor cell binding to others on endothelial cells appear to play a role in changing the clockwise chirality of HUVECs. The group was surprised by the movement of the cell types in most models for metastasis. It is thought that tumor cells march toward blood vessels before breaking through into the bloodstream. Researchers had expected the tumor cell would invade the endothelial cell. However, they found the endothelial cells were moving towards the tumor cell on the micropattern. Researchers say regulating the interaction holds promise for better controlling cancer metastasis, and they hope to work further on developing therapeutics towards this end. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.